How did I get here? Well, originally it overheated one night in a drive-through, so I pulled the thermostat. Saw that it's like seemed like an internal piece of the hose. After seeing that, I figured, I'll pull the water pump and make sure I got all of it. So I did, and I saw that piece, which is part of an old water pump. So apparently, before I bought this Jeep, somebody had changed the water pump, and this piece here was down in there blocking the passage. And I take the thermostat off, get it out, but so pull the water pump off. This one's fine. So the last mechanic left a hand grenade for me. Thanks, whoever the hell you were.